How to make a living as an artist. Are you an expert in drawing? Looking for ways to earn money as an artist? Then you are in the right place. We are going to learn about the 9 ways to make a living as an artist. Welcome to Art Experimenter, the place where you can learn, create, grow, explore and inspire. If you are new here, please subscribe. First one is make good art. The art which you make should be subjective. It should catch the eye of the people. It should be simple, attractive but not clumsy. Second one is find cheap rent. Being an artist and making living out of that requires many sacrifices. And letting go of certain things. Have to adjust to the available resources and raise in life. Third one is set the agenda. Being an artist sets some goals and reaches them in a specified time. Fourth one is work hard. As an artist, work hard and learn from mistakes. Work harder and get paid higher. Fifth one is be patient. Be patient enough to yourself to become successful. We have to make so much bad art and learn from them. This takes a lot of time, so be patient to yourself. Sixth one is share. Share your knowledge with the others so that it may inspire others and sometimes even get paid. Share your art and resources with others. Seventh one is take internships. The most common way to stay connected with art is to take internships. Eighth one is get paid. To earn living as an artist, you must get paid for your art. Ninth one is talk to expert artists and know how they are making their living. Talk to experts artists and know some tricks and tips to earn the living with the art. By following the above things, we can make a good living being an artist. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give the thumbs up button and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section how you guys are making a living as an artist.